What's scarier than a strange sound in the dark? The silence that follows. Ryan was walking home through the quiet of the night when he heard footsteps behind him. His heart pounded. He turned only to find a small, friendly dog wagging its tail. Ryan laughed, relieved, and walked on. But a moment later, he realized the footsteps had stopped. The sudden, absolute silence was far more terrifying than the sound had ever been. Fear isn't always born from danger, but from the unknown.